Is that what you're gonna wear? Well, we're rolling.
Oh, you're rolling? Oh, we're rolling? All right. We're actually rolling. Okay.
Yeah. You sure you don't want to change shirts or something?
No, we're good. So, all right. So we're gonna do a cold start video. Here, let me get back here. Cut that.
Make sure you grab that header.
All right. So we're gonna. You want to do this? You want to start it up?
No, you're doing good.
You already took the photos, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a cold start video on this my 1971 Honda CB100. I guess I might as well go ahead and grab that header pipe, right?
Oh yeah.
Get down there, grab it.
Got it.
There we go. We're good. I better hold it. I could have grabbed the hot one. There we go. You could have fooled him out there. All right. Guess we'll come around. Turn the gas on. Key on. Choke it. There we go. Warm it up a minute. Third kick. Not bad. See if it'll idle on its own. You can obviously set it up just a smidge. Idle's a little lower, nicer. I mean, it's not warmed up yet, so.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
No timing chain noise.
No timing chain noise, no valve noise. Nice and tight. Like I said, warms up. Takes a trip around the block to get it completely warm.
Yeah.
But that's normal.
Neutral light working?
Yep. Get out of the way there.
Oh yeah.
Why don't you get down by the muffler and see how that, get a little nice throat. Set the idle down a smidge. Alright, so apparently the video cut out. That's usually GoPro territory. This is an actual decent Sony camera, so never goes without fail, right? So,
You want to turn the headlight on?
currently horn does not work. Horn does not work. If we get it working, we'll modify and add an extra video here. Low beam. High beam.
Yeah.
Get the high beam indicator there. There we go. Alright.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Turn signal. The turn signals, this is pretty common. Sometimes they'll go when you're revving a bit, but they're not winking, so it needs a relay. again. Headlight on. Tail light working? The light or not? No? Stop the brake.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, what is it?
Yep.
Is it on? Okay, so tail light on. Brake light work?
Yep.
Alright. So it's funny. These things are actually really dim, the 6-volt system. So much that when I took my endorsement test on one of these, and the lady thought there was something wrong with the bike. Not this one,
Yeah.
but like I said, I've been adjusting that idle when it was warming up. But they were so dim, the lady didn't think they were working.
Yeah.
And anyone I've had inspected that's a 6-volt Honda system, they're always so dim, especially in the sunlight, you can barely see them work.
Yeah.
Like I said, we haven't really got out around the block, so in warm-up phase.
Well,
What do you think?
so that's about got it.
Think that's about got it?
I think so. We can do another follow-up video when we get the flasher relay replaced.
If not, I mean, we'll be transparent. If not, we'll note it in the post.
Yeah.
But if we do, we'll put
That's
it down.
usually that's usually the cause when that's going on.
Yeah. Alright.
All right.
So, here, you good to shut it off?
Yep.
There you go. Boom.